Okay, so let's start this walking tour down Soi Rambuttri and Khao San. I don't know if you remember, we did it last time, about a year ago now. Let's see if it's got more busier. We know there's more tourists in the country at the moment, but I thought it might be a good time to have a look around. You might be wondering what makes this road so famous. Well, during Paramhar's reign, during the 70s, many Thai people used this as a station for trading rice. Khao San. Well, as the place got more vibrant, more travellers came. And more travellers come, more money's here. During the 80s, people started to rent out rooms, restaurants, and more travellers came. By that time, late 80s, 90s, it was world famous. After that, directors of Hollywood found out what this place was, and before you knew it, they filmed the film The Beach here. So as he was looking up at his fan, travellers from all around the world would come here on a special trip for partying or just a tour down to the Grand Palace, which is about 5 minutes from here. Any plans to come to Thailand? Put them in the comments below. Welcome to Thai Days. Yeah, there's more tourists here. There's one guy walking up there and there's a girl there as well. Cool, that's good to see. Last time I was here it was dead. It's good to see there's more tourists. Foreigner right next to me now walking up the road. And I can see from here there's more foreigners as well walking up and down. This is good news. Good stuff. Alright, we're going to walk down up to Khao San and have a look around there. Good. Yeah, the clothes are out. They're ready. Tourists walking down here. Good stuff. More tourists coming. Good. I won't make this walking tour as long as last time. We're definitely going to walk up to the main road and cross into Khao San. We might do a different direction to last time as well. But there you go. Oh look, there's some more people drinking here. Good. And there's some more free boys there. Eating some food, which is good to see. Great to see some tourists here. The girls there. Cool. Good. Remember us crossing this road last year? It's a nightmare to cross, be careful. Just going to walk down to Khao San now. About another 5 minutes. Opposite this temple here. I have a video on that about the books you can read in Thailand. All little places to eat down there if you wish. I'll put everything in the description for you so you can find it, Khao San Road, and all the other information that you'll need. Please like the video. Oh, and also, in the comments, are you planning to come to Thailand? Hello. Welcome to YouTube. And here we are at Khao San. There we are at Khao San. That used to be the old Gullivers. I don't know what happened to that. I haven't been down here. Well, I was down here last year, if you remember. There we go. Khao San Road. It's changed a lot. I've been here in 16 years. Khao San Road has changed a lot. Definitely more tourists up there though. You can see them walking up, which is great news. Let's hope more tourists come. I hope if you're watching this video you're planning to come to Thailand as well. These businesses desperately need your money. Desperately need your business. I mean, McDonald's and that stuff like that are okay, but these small vendors like this You do the pad thai and the smoothies and stuff. I really need you, man. So get out here now. Khao San Centre. That opens up at night time at the moment. And there's some more tourists there, which is good news. Definitely more tourists around. You've got to remember this is at 11 o'clock in the morning at the moment. Hence the name to my channel, Thai Days. He does the pad thai. Let's walk through into Soi Rambuttri. Through the magic alleyway. Big shout out to Doug, who helped me last time as well. Last time he was with me. This time I'm by myself. I think we'll do this every year. We'll come down to Khao San every year and see how it's getting busier and busier and busier. Oh, Spirit House. Let's hope that brings Khao San good luck. Howdy car. This is the alleyway that connects Soi Rambuttri up into Khao San. Hopefully you'll be walking down there very soon. Walk up to the roundabout again. Oh, another tourist coming down here, which is good, good, good. You might be able to remember this roundabout from last time. And the Royal Temple is on the right. I'll have to go in there at some point. I said that last year, I still haven't managed to get round to it. But I will do. I will do. We've got this wonderful street food on the top of Soi Rambuttri, right next to the roundabout and the Royal Temple. Great stuff. Ooh, some mangoes there as well, and fruit. Good, 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 good. And there's the Swensons. It's been there for a long, 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 long time, that place. As I said, here's the Royal Temple. I will go in there at some point. It's here. Been to the Amulet Market as well. Good. Oh, now we're going to cross the road into Soi 2, like we did last time. And then, boom. And you get this wonderful street food here, right on the edge of this main road. And down there is Khao San. Rice, fish, good stuff. So let's cross the bridge like we did and go into Soi 2. Put in the comments what your plans are coming to Thailand. Give us a like. Oh, I'm tired. So let's walk into Soi 2. Have a look at Chillax. Nice little restaurant on the edge of Soi 2 here. Okay, cool. We're Soi 2 now. There's Chillax. And there's the two bars on the corner. Here's Soi 2, and the Burma bar is on Soi 4. Okay, I think I'll leave it there. I'm tired. Please like and subscribe. Peace, love, unity.